I'm here in Margarita's apartment in a suburb of Kharkiv. Margarita has told me that she lived here in this apartment for over 30 years. She left Kharkiv, her home, in 2022 and lived in Kyiv for 4 years until the end, almost until 2 months ago. And then she decided to come back here to her home city for family reasons. But at 3:52 a.m. this morning, a Shahed drone launched by Russia landed on this apartment block. We can see the damage here in the apartment. Windows were smashed out. Miraculously, these new windows were not damaged. Margarita has told me that the windows, the force of the blast forced the windows open because they weren't locked, and these windows remain intact. Margarita said that she actually regrets coming home to Kharkiv after almost 4 years living in Kyiv. But it just gives you a sense of the kind of threats that people here in Kharkiv face and the regularity of attacks on civilian infrastructure.